Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover regional and global services. So there are two types of services AWS provides. One is the regional service, and we have already discussed what are regions. And the second one is global service. Okay, so regional services are, so for example, if I go back to the AWS console, and these are the regions I can see. So I'll just go back here, and these are all are the regions, right? And we need to decide which region we need to select whenever we are creating new services, new resources. So these are the regions. Now few services are called regional services because for each regions they have different pricing, etc. So for different region they are applicable or not, that also varies, right? But few services are global in nature. Global means they are available in all region. So irrespective wherever we are creating the resources, that will be available globally everywhere. So for example, I'm going to talk about IAM service in next video. But if I go to IAM service, I should see this is called global service, because if we click on here, we'll see all the regions are disabled. We cannot select any region while we are working resources for IAM because it's a global service. Whereas if I go to another service, maybe EC2, I'll explain what is EC2 in another video. But at this time, I should be able to select the region because this is regional service. Okay, so that's it in this video. So two types of services, a regional service and global service. We can also check regional services by going to this URL, and we will see list of all the services available by region. You just need to select this drop down where all the regions are listed, and based on that, whatever service is available in that region will be displayed. Okay, this page actually displays the edge network locations as well, that we will discuss. But yeah, the regions based by services are available on this page. Thank you so much for watching.